In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import PDF into Excel. If you have ever had information sitting inside a PDF and you wanted to work with it in Excel, this is the method you need. The goal is to pull the data directly into an Excel worksheet in a clean and convenient way, so you can sort, filter, and analyze it. First, go to the Data tab on the main ribbon. This is where Excel gathers tools for bringing data in from different sources. As you click the Data tab, you should see the main ribbon change to show data-related options, including buttons for downloads and connections. Next, click the Get Data button on the far left. This button opens a drop-down menu with several ways to import content. Take a moment to find it on the left side of the ribbon so you do not miss it, because it is the starting point for the entire import process. After you open the Get Data drop-down, hover over From File. Hovering is important here because it reveals another menu. In that secondary menu, Excel lists different file types that you can import, such as text files, spreadsheets, and PDFs. Now, click the From PDF option in the secondary menu list. This tells Excel that you want to bring in a PDF document specifically. Once you select it, Excel will prepare the import experience and prompt you to choose the PDF you want to work with. Select your target document file name from the Browse window pop-up. In this window, you will navigate to the folder where the PDF is stored. When you see the correct file name, click it once so it is highlighted. This makes sure the import will use the exact PDF you intended. Then click the Import button at the bottom of the screen. This step begins the process of converting the PDF content into something Excel can work with. Depending on the PDF size and complexity, this may take a moment, so it is normal to wait briefly while Excel processes the document. After the import process runs, look for the Navigator menu. This menu is where Excel shows what it found inside the PDF, such as specific pages or tables. You should now be able to see table names, page options, or grouped data sections. Choose the specific table names or pages that you want to import into Excel. Selecting only what you need is helpful because it keeps your worksheet focused and easier to review. Once you have selected the table names or pages, click the Load button. This is the final step that sends the extracted data into your Excel workbook. After clicking Load, Excel will instantly place the data into the sheet, starting at the location where it is best to insert it. When the data finishes loading, you will see the results appear directly into A1. A1 is the top left cell of the worksheet, so it is the first spot where Excel places the imported content by default. At this point, you can review the layout, check that the columns look correct, and confirm that the correct pages or tables were imported. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.